So there's no kind of like bin system or like
There
drawer
are
system?
2 bins that I had from college. Is this your nightmare?
A little bit, but it's
okay,
fine.
cool.
Hi, my name is Meghal Janardan, and I'm a host and video producer here at Refinery29 and a self-proclaimed organization nerd. Today we are in the East Village to meet with my friend and coworker Sloan to figure out new underbed storage solutions.
Hi! Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. So, this is my room.
You have a ton of stuff under your bed. It's definitely overflowing, and I feel like it's this and then just continued under there.
I don't have a closet.
Okay.
So under my bed functions as all of my storage space. So I have like a dresser and I have a hanging rack. I have all of my like makeup, all my hair stuff, shoes, all of my bags, soccer ball, sheets and towels. Why do I have so many pairs of slippers? Decided that I wanted to craft and then just gave up on that. Like I have a bag of hair. It's fake hair, don't worry. Everyone calm down. There's no real function to it, and it just reminds me how, like, I'm not a real adult yet.
So how is everything stored under your bed?
So I have duffel bags, I have a suitcase. Oh no, it's stuck.
Like, do you have easy access a little bit to some things that you need?
My system that I have in place now is that all the stuff at the foot of the bed are things that I'll use like daily or weekly. Things that I use on maybe a monthly basis are easy access on this side of the bed. More seasonal shoes, my random ski bag that like lives in the back corner. I also have a little windowsill right next to my bed, and I take a little standing mirror and I'll put that on the windowsill. I'll take all my beauty products, I'll put it on the bed. Another problem is that I have a headboard, but then my wall is not flat, so there's kind of this like magical dumping ground that exists back there. I'll just be like, oh, I have a bag of stuff that I might need sometime.
Chuck it behind the headboard.
And I chuck it behind the headboard, yeah. I hope that we can find an organizational system where I know A, what everything is, and B, where everything is, and see how to find it.
My first thing that I see is this funny looking device. We have a Rogue eyeshadow palette, which worries me. Wait. It's like pulling things through prison bars. And it just keeps going until just darkness. For Sloan's underbed, it's really a matter of finding a new home for all of her everyday items, so she's not constantly pulling things out from underneath. So everything that will be under her bed are things she doesn't use often, and everything that's out will be everyday items. Okay, so I am back and I've brought some organizing solutions for you, but before we start, we gotta take everything out, put it in your living room, and so on. I'm stressed. Don't worry, we'll get through this. Is that a dog sweater?
This is a hot water.
Oh, suitcase.
Oh, it's open.
Oh.
Fan. Soccer ball.
Ooh, it is dusty back here.
Nope.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I think we need to dust and wipe down under there. This is pretty gross.
Okay.
So are you ready?
Yes.
All right. So first what we're gonna do is sort everything into different piles. We're gonna put backups for makeup and skincare in here, and then in yours, we're gonna put everyday stuff. Behind us, trash and donations.
Love.
Cool?
Okay.
Right, let's go. Besides your massive collection of makeup and skincare, we have bags and linens and yoga gear all out here. So once we're done going through all of this, we can move on to sorting your clothes. Is this Tums or something?
These are ears.
A general rule of thumb is to have a one in and one out system. So if you go through a mini, then you can get a new one.
Okay. Okay, almost done.
We've taken all of the clothing off of your existing rack and put it on your bed. Let's separate your clothing by season. Summer clothing will go back under your bed and winter clothing will stay out. Is that
Big
all winter?
coats.
And just one more thing. Bag of clothing from under your bed. Just dump it out.
Dump it.
Oh.
Oh my god, these are my... Wait, I've been looking for these since I moved to New York. I've made it through 3 winters without my gloves.
We can finally move everything back into your room. So we've sorted through all your winter clothes, so now we're gonna put them on your new rack.
Yay, it's so cute, I love it.
What's so great about this rack is that it has extra storage. So we can highlight some of your favorite shoes and purses on the side shelves, and then the rest of your winter shoes can go on the bottom shelf. For your makeup, I got this amazing clear acrylic organizer. This will keep your makeup safe, clean, and easy to find. I also got this super sleek LED light mirror, so you can do your makeup right here instead of at your windowsill. Okay, so now we're gonna put everything back under your bed. First, the row near your headboard. Let's start with putting your duffel bag with ski gear and your suitcase in the back since you don't use them as often. And then in front of that will go your linens, which are now in this new storage bag, which I love because it has handles so you can easily pull it out. Next is the row at the base of your bed, and I got this really cool shoe organizer that not only has divided compartments, it also has a clear top so you can see where everything is. And then in front of your shoes, we'll put this storage bag full of all of your summer clothing. Finally, at the base of your bed will be these baskets. One with medicine, one with electronics, and one with backup skincare and beauty products.
Everyone come over and I'm gonna be like, look under my bed.
Lastly, the nook. Since we moved your bed to the other side of the room, now you have way easier access to it. I got these tall and narrow hampers that fit perfectly into the nook.
I can't believe that you were able to take all of the just like junk and madness and organize it. Like every single thing has a home now. The new hanging rack is my absolute favorite. If I have to look at my stuff, why not highlight it in like a really beautiful way?
I think we ended up with 3 bags to donate, a few bags to recycle, a bag full of TerraCycling. So it's just a lot more spacious under your bed. We're done!
I guess go to bed now.
Thank you so much for watching. To watch more, click here.
And to subscribe to Refinery29, click here.